Hi friends, my name is Achut and I am from Isaac. So today in this class, we will solve another problem. So let us read the problem statement. So the problem statement is, you will be given an input n of integer data types. So you have to print the number of series 2, 9, 16, 23 till n in different lines. So it is saying it should be print in different lines. So here we have to use the println, and where is the last number printed should be an integer just less than n or equal to n. So here you can see 23, right? So it should be less than 20, like if consider n value is 23. So if it is like the last number should be 23, or it should be less than 23. It should not be greater than 23. So that is the meaning of this line. Last. So I hope you understand the question. So let's write the program. So import java dot title dot star. So scanner class we are using. So scanner s is equal to new scanner system dot in. So int n is equal to sc dot next int. So int I is equal to, so it should be starts from 2, right? So like we have to write 2, because it is the series should be start from 2, right? So that's why simply instead of 0 I'm using 2. So and it should be n with n. So I less than or equal to n, which means it should be I should be less than n or equal to n. So until the loop has to be done. And after that, so what is the difference between 2 and 9? 7, right? So what is the difference between 9 and 16? 7, right? So what is the difference between 16 and 23? 7, right? So every time it's incrementing with 7. The present number is incrementing with 7. So that's why I'm just adding 7 to the I. So this symbol represents, so I plus equal to 7 represents I is equal to I plus 7. So, so this symbol, so I plus or equal to 7 means is equal to I is equal to I plus 7, which means, so here consider 2. So after 2, whenever which if it is incrementing, so it should be increment with 7. So 2 plus 7, 9. So the next number should be 9. So after that, the I value changes to 9, right? So here it should be 9. So, and after that, again we are like if the condition is satisfying, again it will execute. So the I value should be 9. The I value is 9. So we are adding 9 with 7. So 9 plus 7, 16. So then the I value is 16. And after that, so if the condition again passed, so then we have to add again 7 to the 16. And the output should be 23. So I hope I got it why I'm writing this for loop like this. So I'm returning the value, the 2. I hope you understand what I'm doing. So if you don't understand, please comment in the chat so I can help you out. So I'm just printing the I. So why we are using println? Because the question asks, so each and every number should be printed in the different line. So that's why I'm using println. Okay. Yes. Problem is completed. And we're just commenting this line. And let us run this program. So there is no error. So let us consider 25. So output should be C 2, 9, 9 plus 7, 16, 16 plus 7, 23. So here it's taking 23. So less than n. Less than n, right? Less than n. So it is less than n, right? So that's why it is taking up to 23 only. So for example, again run this program. If I give 23, so it will take up to 23 only because it is equal to n. So that is the condition which I have wrote here. I hope you understand why I'm writing this condition like this. So like you are having the cases, test cases, like this, there will be so many cases like you have to check. So I'm checking 2 cases here. That's it, friends. So I hope you like this video. So if you like this video, please like it and please share it to your friends so they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. So then only you will get the notification. So whenever I post the videos on the YouTube, you will get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.